Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to learn how to use Pythagoras to find the side length of a right angled triangle. So here I've got a triangle, it's right angled, and we've got our three sides, and our unknown value is a side length. As usual, we can label this triangle by A, B, and C, where C is the hypotenuse. And you'll notice that in this case, the hypotenuse is known. It's the side length that we don't know. We'll start by writing down our rule. So Pythagoras' theorem, of course, is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And in this case, it's going to be our side length b that we don't know. Let's solve that. Let's fill in the values that we know. We know that c is 24. We know that a is 16. And we don't know what b is, so we'll just leave it as b squared. Now, before we can go ahead and solve that, we need to get b by itself. So let's work in reverse BOMDAS. We'll get rid of anything being added or subtracted first. And you'll notice we're adding this 16 squared. So let's get rid of that by taking it away on the opposite side. So 24 squared minus 16 squared is equal to b squared. Just rearranging the equation. Now you can solve for these numbers and then take the square root, or we can just take the square root first and then solve all of it in one step on the calculator. I'm going to do it that way. So b squared, to get rid of the squared, we square root. So you're going to take the square root of the other side. 24 squared minus 16 squared equals b. And just remember that there's an invisible bracket here, and sometimes on the calculator it's worthwhile to just put that bracket in anyway, so the calculator definitely knows that all of that needs to be squared. Equals. We'll take out a calculator here, and we'll put this on our calculator. So square root, and I'm going to put in my brackets just to make absolutely certain that my calculator knows this. So bracket 24 squared, and we're subtracting, so minus 16 squared, close bracket, and you'll notice on my calculator the line from the square root goes all the way across, so it's taking the square root of all of that, equals, so our answer is 17 point, I'll round that to 9, so 17.9, and our numbers are in centimeters, so centimeters equals b. And that is how we use Pythagoras to find the side length of a right angled triangle.